Hey guys! Alright, so. I'm gonna draw the rest of the blade. And we gotta just go for here. As much as I like the curve, I do kind of want it a little bit pointed up, or not up, straight a bit, so it can stab. Oh my word. You know, okay, now all I'm just doing is pulling down this card. Oh my word, why? I just want to lay a bit up or a bit down so I can just. Oh well. Yeah, screw it. Kind of already committed to it, so. And honestly, a small saber-esque blade ain't too bad either. Ah, well. I do favor curved blades a little bit. I don't know why. It's just easier for me to make a curved blade than it is a straight blade. Yeah. Oh well. Oh well. Oh well. Oh my frig sakes. Thanks. Actually, wouldn't hurt either. Probably get that a little bit. There too. Actually, this would be a lot easier after I flatten it. That way I'll kind of look like a heart. Yeah. yeah, fuck it. Might also just try to flatten that piece out. Be the very last thing I do. Yeah. Then figure out what kind of handle I want too. Ooh. Might actually have a handle idea. Small enough I should be able to do it. Yeah. You know. Should be able to weld the back here. Here for, you know, at least the back of it. I suppose with the curved one, I can just go around the blade. Yeah. But I think that's going to be all the forging I got to do there, because I got to go to a birthday party and I don't want to smell too bad, you know? Yeah. So yeah, I'll make this as flat as I can just to kind of like distribute the weight a bit better. Then I'm going to flatten this out. Probably don't see it. Still think the camera's up there. Now, I'll grab it. I'll probably just flatten this out a little bit and point it so it just kind of looks like a heart. That's kind of what I was talking about. There a good fantasy blade. Starting to look kind of like a knife, but yeah. I think the next project's going to be an axe with that piece there. Then I'm going to try. Then I'm going to use that piece of the bar of that steel. There. Then I'm going to try a piece of leaf spring. I'll figure out which piece I want to use. That's a thick one. That's way too thick. All these are pretty fucking thick. Fuck it. No, fuck it. I can literally do something with a piece of blade there. And make another, like, just make another sword for later. But the next project is going to be an axe. That one, because I want to use a lot of that steel before you're there. Then the next project is going to be a Damascus style build with those bandsaw blades. Yeah, I'm going to try to forge a blade with a shitload of layers to it. I also kind of want it too that the sheath goes around, like through the guard on the inside, so I can kind of like go wrap a chain around it so it locks. So that kind of makes it safe for travel. Yeah. There we go. There. Yeah. I might, and honestly, just find some scrap wood, find some wood there, like I did those little bricks I used for my heretic. I'll show it to you. Where's my heretic? Sword. I had that rapier around here. Yeah. What happened with that rapier? I'm sure I'll find it in for a bit there. But yeah, no, I made a very thin, long rapier, and I was gonna originally make a cane sword, but with the handle construction, I was gonna do a wooden layer and put like a pommel in the back of it. That actually doesn't sound like a bad idea. I kind of got it looking pretty good here. Okay. That's just one more pass over on the blade. Then I gotta try to fix the spine here because the spine's gotta be pounded again. So that should make it a bit better. And with that, I should be able to make the tip go a bit straight. I got that big warp in the back here. It's literally just in the back of the spine, so that's just where it is. So this video is a little bit longer than normal, so if you like this video, give me a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your Saturday. Peace out.